With so much change having happened over the last few months, do you find yourself wondering how to navigate relationships either to grow your business or to grow the relationships within organizations that you serve? If so, hello. My name is Crystal Washington. I'm a technology strategist and futurist, and I hope that you'll join me on April 27th through 30th in Baltimore, Maryland for NAPO's 2022 Annual Conference. We're going to be there in person. Yes, I will be your keynote speaker, and what I'm going to talk about is nurturing relationships for business success in uncertain times. Now, as I already discussed, we've gone through so much change. Things have shifted. Not everyone is meeting in person. Some people want to have more virtual type meetings, even as things are opening up. So the world is changing around us. You're going to walk away with a few new things. Number one, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of reaching out to clients and contacts when stress levels are in the red. We're going to talk about the things that you can do to tweak your personal brand so that you go from simply being a provider to a superhero in the minds of your clients and customers and peers. And because I'm techie and I like to share cool tech tools, I'm even going to leave you with some cool tech tips and tactics for wowing people and really showing them that you see them and you care. That way you can take those relationships to the very next level. So if you have not already registered, what are you waiting for? We're in person. People, your peers, you want to come. So if you haven't registered, please register today. I'll see you soon.